Unlock the secrets behind Martin Garrix's infectious progressive house sound and elevate your productions today. Let's dive deep into building that signature Garrix groove. We'll start with the foundation, a powerful, punchy kick drum. Aim for a clean transient with a subtle, rounded low end. Pair this with a snappy clap, often layered with a bright shaker for that percussive detail. Subtle hi-hats, perhaps a closed hi-hat with a gentle swing, will add momentum and drive to your rhythm section. Now for the heart of progressive house, the melodies and pads. Garrix often uses bright, soaring synth leads with a touch of analog warmth. Think supersaws with a carefully sculpted LFO on the filter cutoff for that characteristic evolving character. For pads, a layered approach is key while Euro combine airy, sustained synths with more defined, mid-range textures to create depth and emotional resonance. Don't shy away from arpeggiators, used subtly to add intricate movement to your chords. Building energy is paramount. Garrix masterfully uses tension and release. Start with rhythmic elements and evolving pads. Introduce filtered melodic lines that gradually open up. Employ classic build-up techniques, increasing the tempo subtly, using white noise sweeps and reverse cymbals, and a well-placed riser synth that climbs in pitch and intensity. The drop is where it all explodes while you're a powerful bassline, a catchy lead melody, and an abundance of energy. For the bassline, a deep, sub-focused sound is essential, often a rich sine wave or a carefully filtered saw wave. Keep it relatively simple and rhythmic, locking in tightly with the kick. Layering a mid-range bass for presence can also add significant fullness. A signature Garrix clap is usually punchy and bright, often with a short decay, providing a clear percussive accent. Arrangement-wise, think classic progressive house structure. Start with a simple intro, gradually introducing elements. The breakdown offers a moment of respite, often featuring emotive pads and a stripped-back melody. The build-up then ramps up the tension before the electrifying drop. Think about how each section flows into the next, creating a narrative arc within your track. And finally, the signature melodies. Garrix's melodies are often uplifting, memorable, and have a strong sense of direction. Experiment with pentatonic scales or simple, diatonic melodies that are easy to hum. The key is to make them impactful and instantly recognizable. Focus on strong phrasing and expressive modulation to bring your melodies to life. With these techniques, you're well on your way to crafting your own progressive house anthems. Experiment, have fun, and happy producing.